Ciao a tutti! Hello everybody, my name is Irina Movsisyan and welcome to our Italian classes. I will teach you English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French and Portuguese. Today we will start with the Italian language and our first task is to learn pronouns. Pronouns are such words like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, let's read it. Italian pronouns. Pronomi italiani. Pronomi italiani. And our task for today to learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. 8 words a day, many words a month. So let's get started. Io, make E stressed. It's not yo like in Spanish, but io. Io. Say it. Io. Molto bene. Very good. Next one is tu. 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 That means you. You're referring to your friend. Hey you, come here. Tu. Molto bene. Next one. Lui. Lui. Make L soft. Lui. Lui. Lei. 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 That's a she. And also, if you put lei with the capital letter, we have a new word, which is you, polite form, when you're referring to a professor, an elderly person, somebody who you respect. So this is also the same word, but you write it with a capital letter. Okay, let's look at the first column. Again, these are singular pronomi, singular pronouns. Each person is one person. Io, tu, lui, lei, lei. One more time. Io, tu, lui, lei, lei. Now let's look at the second column, and here we have we, you, they. It's plural form. Okay, you and I will be we. Noi, noi, make it y like boy, they. Noi, noi. Okay, that's we. Voi, voi. This you means that you're referring to multiple people. That's plural form of you. Voi, and they will be loro, loro. Now close your eyes. Repeat after me. Io, tu, lui, lei, lei. Noi, voi, loro. Molto bene. Now, close your eyes and try to remember from the bottom to the top. Loro, voi, noi, lei, lei, lui, tu, io. Pause the video. Do it. Very good. Okay, now take a piece of paper and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? You have 8 words to write. Write down on the piece of paper. If you see that you wrote less than 8, that means you forgot something, and that means that you have to review this again and learn them again. Now let's practice. I'm going to point at a pronoun. Your task is to translate it. You, plural form. We. They. He. You, singular. I. You, polite form. She. They. We. He. You. She. I. Molto bene. I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690, and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!